Hello, assalamu alaikum everyone. Now we are going to do the second part, Excel 1. So let's get started. According to our sample paper, the first step we have to do is to insert a row before first row and type the title sale amount table. So let's do it. It will look like this at the end. So this is our first row. To add a row before it, we have to select this one thing and right click here. It will bring this menu and we have to insert a row before. Number is 1 row, so 1. Now you have to select these tables from here to up to here, and we have to merge all of them. I am going to use this merge and center, so click on it. It has merged, also centered our text. Type the text we want here, sale amount table, sale amount table. So our first point is completed already. Now let's move to our second point, which is calculate the total of each type of route and the maximum and minimum each day. Okay, let's do it. First we have to calculate total kg in amount and then maximum sale and minimum sale. So let's get started. First of all, you can select this table and right click on it to select all the table. Sorry, click on it to select all the table and let me do yes. Now select all of these and go here to formulas, auto sum and sum. It has added all of these values here. Now you have to go here, see this cursor change into this plus type sign and move it down. Now it has applied this function to all of it. Now we have to find maximum sale and minimum sale. So let's do it. Again, first select this box, then right click to select all of these boxes, go into the formulas, auto sum and maximum. Our maximum is 547, so here is 547. Again, come here and drag it to apply the formula to all of these. Now we have to select the minimum sale. So first again select this box. Now press Ctrl and select these upper boxes and go on to the auto sum and minimum. Minimum is 125, so it is here. Again drag it to apply the formula to the whole table. So our second step is also completed. Now move forward to third step, formulating the title of the table, Arial, font size 18 and alignment centered. Okay, so here is the title of our table. So go on to the home and size we have to do it 18, font name Arial, and it is already centered. I have used this option, so it has already centered it. Now our third point is completed. Time to do fourth point. So let's come here and hit the fourth point. Formatting the content of table and fact must be similar with the sample in figure 2. So if we see here the figure 2, we must know that first of all we have these black bars around our data, and our these second row is like yellow and with the greenish text. So let's do it. Go to our file, select all of the table we have made so far, and now click on this borders option and it will add border to our text. Now for making it yellow, we have to come it here and click on this option. You can select the yellow shade you want here. I am going with this yellow. And for making it green, you can come here, text color, and you can choose the color you want. I'm going with a little bit darkish green, and done. We have completed our fourth point. Now time to complete our fifth point. Create a line chart named sales amount as shown in the figure 2. You can see this table sales amount, and here is the name of fruit. So it's a line chart. So let's make it. For making a chart, we have to select this total amount of only fruits, and now press Ctrl and select from apple to cherry. Now go on to insert line chart option and insert this. This is our charts option, and this is line chart and this chart. As we can see, we have created our line chart. We have apple and fruit option here and everything. Just place it on the right location. Change this name to sales amount. Done. And now our last point, formatting the data which is greater than 300 font color should be added, or conditional formatting must be used. Okay, let's do it. At the end it will look like this. Okay, let's do it. First select the first and select this thing. Do not select maximum sale, minimum sale and total. Go on to the format, conditional formatting, and highlight cell rules greater than, set the amount 300, and we want to add text. Click OK, and now our Excel work is now completed. Okay, thank you.